Alright, now then, today, have another video about another challenge this time, because today we have two packages and they're from a different place than where I usually get the packages, so they're wrapped in a different way. Hold on. These ones right here, they are looking like two bombs, like Semtex or something, you know? Call of Duty reference. But anyway, yeah, I got these two things here on sale, so I'm pretty happy about that. And without further ado, let's get into actually opening them, and hopefully I won't dox myself. This time I'm sort of more prepared, because this time I have a pocket knife laying around in my pockets. Hey, you know, the place where it's actually supposed to be. But I don't really know how to start opening this box, because as you can see, it's like, is it saying this side up here? No, it's not. It's like taped on the top, the sides, and like, I don't know, man. Maybe I should chop this part off first or something. Ugh. There we go. Now I think I will make a slight incision on top here. You see, this one is not from the place where I usually get it, you know, Farfetch. This one is from a late package from Barneys warehouse, actually. But this is like incredible amounts of like safety packaging, I guess. Oh, one side open. A lot of tissue paper as usual. Did I open it upside down? Oh no. Hold on. I opened it the right way around, but also the wrong way around. So, what you probably can tell from this white box, if I show you this part, then a yes. It is from Klein, the 205w39nyc, I think it's called. And I got it off of the Barneys warehouse sale, which was insanely put down. It was like originally $1,000, like $1,200 or something, and then it was like put down to a couple $100. So that was actually insane. But without further ado, let's pop it open here. Oh, that new shoe smell. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it says the thing there. Oh, it says on the other side as well. Didn't know that. This, let's see here. Oh, here it is. Damn. This is a really beautiful shoe right here. I've never really actually seen these in person, but they look they actually look amazing. They have this like, I don't know what the colorway is called. It's like walnut, it says. And it has this like metal cap on the bottom that says Klein. So yeah, it's pretty insane. I haven't actually tried these on because, as you could see, it was the first time that I opened it, but I will get back to you about the sizing and stuff for this later on in the video. This thing looks amazing. I love the color of it. And then it's patented leather, I think. The reason why I was like sort of scared when I opened them is because like I've seen people get 2 pairs or one pair that is a different size than the other. So hopefully, yes, good. Hopefully and luckily, in my case, they're the same size. Now, because it was a sale, I've heard that you're actually supposed to go true to size on these, but because of the sale, most of the sizes was sold out. So I actually had gotten, I got 2 pairs, and the other one is in a different colorway and all that. But this one, I got half a size down from my actual size. And then the other one I got half a size up from my actual size. So hopefully at least one of them is gonna fit, you know? And I've heard that they're extremely hard to get on and off, but I'll have to try and see for myself as well. Yeah, without further ado, let's get some B-roll going of this one, and then opening the second box. Now, actually, after having tried these on for a little bit, they felt sort of constricting, but it also felt like I could easily just wear them out, or break them in, so they become more of the correct size, I guess. And you know, you're probably thinking like, that's a yee, my guy. So, but overall, really, like, this is an extremely nice boot in my opinion. I think it's called like Spazzalo Texi or something like that, because it's like a C-shaped toe or something. Because it has a very pointy toe, as you can see. But yeah, really nice. Kind of difficult to get off at first, at least, off your feet. But like, right foot was really a lot easier than the left foot. That might like also get easier with time or whatever, you know? Who knows? But let's get into the next pair. Pair? Pair? And also, by the way, I took my hoodie off because it's actually starting to get warm here now. A little more summery in the north. Now let's diffuse this bomb too. Cutting the red wire, green wire, yellow wire, didn't cut completely through the red wire here. There we go, I think. Should be good. Don't explode. Now this is the same as the other one, but it's a different colorway. Now this colorway I'm really interested to see, because apparently I've heard it changes with the lighting, and it's this sort of ivory looking, which has the description of being pink, but in this lighting it actually sort of looks ivory to me. But apparently it switches to different colors and different lighting, so that's gonna be very interesting to see when I get to wear it. And this, wait, I think I ordered the size that isn't mine, but I got the size that is mine. So that's pretty fortunate. This one does not have the metal cap on the bottom underneath the boot like the other one does here. So in my opinion that's just sort of kind of whatever, but it does have a leather, what do you call it? Leather tab on the thing that you hold on to when you drag the zipper down, which is the same color as the boot itself. Let's move this over here. Boot in chat here. This is, it is Tex C Abrasivato powder, I guess. And you can read it if I can get my camera to focus on it. You can probably see it right there. I think the other one has a different name, but I guess that really depends on the color or something, maybe. So, very cool boots. Now, let's get into some B-roll of this one, and I will see you back here in a little bit.
no, 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 no. Look at the...
So anyway, moral of the story is extra, super extra, and you know, you can either go true to size or size down if you like to have it a little bit more tighter around your foot. Obviously you would probably need a longer break-in period with the smaller pair than the true to size pair. So you know, if you want to stay updated with new posts and when I'll post my next videos and such, you can follow my my Instagram. There will be a link down in the description, and I also have the occasional fit picture or outfit picture, you know. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. Have a good day, and I will see you next time. Peace out, guys. See ya.